list. Which one you should take? Okay, fine. Fine
Yes,
with
ma'am. You
everyone?
can make it.
Gelda, fine?
Yes, ma'am. It's fine.
Okay, okay. Rishit, Adrit Rao, everyone. Mohammed Ryan. If you're feeling like that you also want to participate, you're free to participate.
Oh, like I'm thinking, like, what are you guys talking about?
No, Mohammed. So yesterday you were present in the class. So I am talking. You were there for the class, right? So yesterday we were discussing about the seminar topics. Who wants to take what topic? So I am telling you, like yesterday I told you, you don't have to participate because you're a new kid. But if you are willing to participate, you can participate.
Like, I don't understand, like, what you have to do now for like
Seminar is something Ashwin now has taken about xylem and phloem. Did you understand what he has told?
Yes.
Somewhat, at least some 30-40% you understood, right? What Ashwant is trying to tell about xylem and phloem.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Like that, I will give you one topic. You will tell about that topic to your friends.
Like, I'll not participate today.
No, not today. No one is going to participate today. I will tell you the date, time, everything. I'll tell you the topic, everything. Okay. Are you willing, or you think, no, ma'am, I'm a new student. I will sit beside. I will listen to the children. From next time, I will participate. That is also fine.
I'll participate from next time.
Okay, fine. So no need. So you will participate from the next time. So we will go to the class now. No. Okay, share. I think you can all see my screen. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I can see your screen.
So yesterday we were talking about, I hope you all remember this. Every class I'm telling you, the fungi, prokaryote, eukaryote, unicellular, multicellular, everything. Okay. And what about the homework? What about the homework?
Ma'am, I didn't got the word.
Ma'am, you mean to drop a few drops, right?
Yeah, not few drops. You can pour the water also, no problem on it.
Like I don't have the wooden piece.
Same.
Okay.
I don't have the wooden piece.
Same, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, I threw on a piece which I think it's rotten, but and then I lost it.
Okay, no problem. So what about Gelda?
Ma'am, I didn't have an old piece of wood.
So the answer is not children. You just say that I don't have the old piece. You will go have to search for rotten wood. Okay, you ask your neighbor.
I may have a wooden stick which is long, but my mother uses it for like a gardening purpose. The plant.
Okay, okay. Just ask her if she's ready to give. What about Soumya? Did you get?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine, children. If you're not getting, but please try to get. It's an interesting. You can grow your own mushrooms in your home. Okay.
Ma'am,
That's
is
why I'm
it
telling.
fine if the wood is like thin?
Yeah, that is all fine. No problem.
Okay.
So what about day before yesterday's homework? Those who have not done the homework, I remember Ashwant has not completed drawing.
Ma'am, I did it, ma'am.
Who did it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Very nice, very nice. Adil Rao, very good, very good, very good. So those who have not done, Gelda, you also didn't do, I guess so.
Ma'am,
Very
is
good,
it okay?
Adrit. Soumya, yes. Good, good, good. Something is better than nothing, Soumya. So it's good, very good. Gelda, what about you?
Ma'am, I did.
You also did?
Yeah.
Okay, show me.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very good children. You are obedient kids. Very nice, Delta. Very nice. Very nice, Ashwant Kumar. Clap once more for Ashwant Kumar. Clap your hands for once more for Ashwant. You know why I'm telling you all to clap? Because he had 2 homeworks today, seminar as well as drawing. Both he did, no? Is great. It's really great, Ashwant. Very good. Yes. Now we'll go to the class. So yesterday we all saw about the mushrooms, packets of mushrooms sold in the market. We spoke good things about mushrooms. We also saw how to grow the mushrooms in the home, right? Like I told you, I gave you some activity. So yes, mushrooms like fungi obtain their nutrients in unique ways. So we also saw 2 different ways, decomposition things. This is the basic wood activity that we all are about to do, the rotting wood activity. So what they actually do, they decompose the rotting wood. From there, they take the nutrients. Kind of decomposition. They take the nutrients from the rotting wood. Decomposition method, some mushrooms can be grown, right? So from dead trees, leaves, other plant materials. And one more thing we saw, like symbiotic relationship. So this is basically some mushrooms form symbiotic relationship with trees. So these symbiotic mushrooms are called as mycorrhizal fungi. The name is very important. Once again, mycorrhizal fungi form associations with the roots of plants. So basically, these mycorrhizal fungi, you know what they will do? They will have the association with the roots of the plant. So what is symbiotic relationship? Give and take policy. Simply, it is give and take policy. So fungi has to give something to the tree. Tree will give back something to the fungi. So in what tree will give in exchange of sugar produced by the plant through photosynthesis, the fungi will provide. So tree basically is going to give starch, the food required for mushroom to grow. And in return, fungi is going to give what? Nutrients absorbed from the soil. Very good. Nitrogen, phosphorus, everything.
Yes.
Whatever the basic things are required for a plant, phosphorus is required, nitrogen is required, everything it will give. Fungi is ready to give. So here Mohammed Rayan, our new friend asked one doubt also. So how the nitrogen is,
Muhammad Affan.
I am sorry. So I found out yesterday the bread expiry. So yeah, bread expiry. Siddhant asked about the bread expiry. I also told it's not only every time about expiry date. It's also about if you take a new bread also, Siddhant, you know, take a new bread. Take a new bread, sprinkle some water, keep it outside in the moist situation. You will see the fungi is growing on the bread. You will see. Yes, it's not
No,
only.
no, the actual doubt is like if we like after the like if the bread I don't know how to say, like if the expiry is today and I forgot to eat it and I ate it tomorrow, like will the fungus grow within that much time only?
See, one misunderstanding is there for you. So if the expiry date means, it doesn't mean fungi only will grow, right? So see, children, are you understanding? See, what is Siddhant is talking about is if today is the expiry date and tomorrow if I'm eating the bread, will the fungi grow within that? No, Siddhant. It's not about only fungi. So the bread is made up of wheat. Wheat flour have some expiry date. It's not only about fungi. Bacteria also may be present. Yes, other bacteria are also present in that. Atmosphere has a lot of bacteria. That harmful bacteria can also go and sediment on the bread surface. Not only fungi. Other bacteria, harmful bacteria are also there. You know, if you have stagnant water and like unused food, you can get stomach pain and you can have poison. What is that? Food poisoning also. Food poisoning is not caused because of fungi. Am I right, Siddha?
Yeah, algae grows in stagnant water.
Yeah, stagnant water. Yeah. So, Siddhant, are you understanding? Are you getting my point? It's not only fungi. Expiry date doesn't based on only fungi growth. It's also based on the bacteria growth. Bacteria can grow within that time, and you can get some harmful diseases because of that. Because if you have stagnant water and food that is not used for a long period, you will get some diseases. Food
Ma'am,
poisoning can happen.
ma'am, so that's the reason why usually the bread's expiry dates are so short.
Yes. Because they are all, yeah.
Mama, and also algae grows near ponds, right?
Yeah, they grow wherever the water is good. The water is good and the moist surfaces, algae grows.
Okay.
Yes. You can see algae where there is a stagnant water for a long period of time.
Yes.
And there is no sun coverage area.
Ma'am, like in our coolers.
Yeah. Gelda, Rishit Badri, fine. Mohammed, Gelda, please open the camera. See, I could not repeat the same thing, kids, again and again. I am not opening. You can ask, ma'am, you are not opening your camera. I am not opening my camera because I'm in hospital. So right now I cannot open my camera. But you guys are in home, right? So you can open the camera. Yes. So symbiotic relationship, we saw about this, brief about this yesterday, and also Mohammed, our friend, asked one doubt about this, and I think somebody explained, I don't know who, explained about the rhizobium bacteria, right? So that's all about symbiotic relationship. So now next is nutrient absorption. So yesterday, I don't know. I think Siddhant asked about mycelium, right? So yes, see, in nutrient absorption, we have the act of mycelium. So what is nutrition absorption? Nutrient absorption. Mushroom absorb nutrients from their surrounding through their mycelium. So yesterday, Siddhant asked, what is the use of mycelium? So I already prepared this slide, but I don't want to reveal it. And also I saw, like I go through the Tamil Nadu textbooks and I saw like more about mycelium. So mushrooms absorb nutrients from their surroundings through their mycelium. Okay, what is the main cause of mycelium now? Are you understanding, Siddharth?
Ma'am, I think I didn't ask this question, but still I'm understanding.
No, somebody asked yesterday. Somebody asked, right? Am I right, kids? What, Adrit Rao? Somebody asked, right?
Ma'am asked about mushrooms growing area. Or...
No. Somebody asked me especially about hyphae and
Ma'am,
mycelium.
that thing I asked, ma'am, that hyphae, sporangium and everything, that's one I asked.
Yeah, but somebody asked me, I remember. Okay.
Ma'am asked about nutrient absorption.
No, not about nutrient absorption. Somebody asked me about hyphae, mycelium, sporangium.
Sporangium, hyphae, I asked. That
Okay,
mycelium, I didn't ask.
okay, fine. Anyway, those are all related. You will see now. So mushrooms absorb nutrients from their surrounding through their mycelium. Okay, what is the main usage of mycelium for mushrooms? They absorb the nutrients from their surroundings through their mycelium. So guess what is mycelium now?
I'm like mycelium is a part of mushrooms.
Mycelium is a part of mushroom.
That's like.
Okay, it's a part of mushroom. Wait a minute, children.
Ma'am, do mushrooms have roots?
Yeah. I will talk about that later. Now, guess what is mycelium?
I think related to some like fungus kind of things.
Is
Someone is trying to.
Ma'am, is it a part of a mushroom?
It is a part of mushroom, Soumya. That is correct. Yes.
Now,
But
like,
which
is it
part?
the stem? Like the stem part?
Stem. Very closer. Get very closer. Anything else?
Branches?
No. Very close.
Roots.
Very good, Siddha. Yes, it is roots. So somebody asked me whether mushrooms have roots. Yes, they have roots. And those roots are called as mycelium. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
See here. I'll show the diagram. See, this is the internal anatomy of mushroom. What do you mean by anatomy, children?
I'm like
The
X-ray type.
or something.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, is the
Inside
mycelium considered
structure.
as fibrous or tapped?
Wait, Shritesh. Wait. Students are answering about the structure, what is anatomy, and all are correct. Yes, Soumya, Siddhant, all are correct. So it's just a structure, internal structure of mushroom. So if you see the right hand side, you can see the hyphae is present. Hyphae and the mycelium. Hyphae and mycelium. The fruiting body. Can you see the structure of this is the structure of mushroom, basic structure of mushroom. See, the hyphae is present here, but the mycelium is present here. Now my question is, what is the difference between hyphae and mycelium?
Ma'am, I was about to ask that question.
Ma'am, they all are just like worms. Ma'am.
No. Here, can you see that hyphae is present and mycelium is present?
Ma'am, I think mycelium consists of the roots of that mushroom and the hyphae. I think it's like
Ma'am, I think hyphae it transports the nutrients.
Very good. So it's basically hyphae is present in the stem part, but mycelium is present in the ground, the root part. You can take like that. You can take like that. Hyphae is in the body part of the mushroom, that is above ground. Here they have given the arrow below ground also, but you can ignore that. So if you want to have the special explanation, they are hyphae are like normally they are long, they are branched, and they are the projections of fungi that they are involved in food absorption. But if you take mycelia, they are root-like structures. They are present below the ground. Okay, the hyphae, you can say that they are above the ground, the stem part of the fungi, but mycelium is basically below the ground, right? And the thing is like They are there is a mass of mycelium. And you can also say group of hyphae can make mycelium. That is also correct. Hyphae, if you want to see clearly, only one is pointed and told as hyphae. Did you see only one thread is pointed and told as hyphae? Did you see?
Yes, ma'am.
But if you see mycelium group, total is called mycelium. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can now say, you can interrupt like that, like group of hyphae is called as mycelium. Also called. I am not telling there is a definition, this is only this, but also called. You can also define them like that.
Ma'am, so like what's the black color part inside of the mushroom, like when we open it, like eating the mushroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, while eating there will be a black color part. I don't remember. Yeah, there will be a black color part.
Ma'am, there's some mushrooms which are colorful, ma'am. They have some type of dots and stuff.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Right.
I will confirm. Mushroom will have some dark color in it. Yes.
And does they can be seen in mushroom?
But what I can't hear you.
Ma'am, does they can be seen in mushroom? The hyphae and
No. You cannot see. I think you can see, no? Like little kind of structure, very little, like edible mushrooms. If you open, I think you can see. I saw, but it will be very minute.
they're very tiny.
Wait a minute, I'll show you the. Yeah, it will be very tiny. I'll show you the images if I can.
Ma'am, edible mushrooms also have hyphae and mycelium, right?
Yeah. It is common in all the mushrooms.
Ma'am, so
It's anatomy.
hyphae works like an esophagus.
What?
So like hyphae works like an esophagus.
Esophagus. No. What is esophagus, children?
And the food pipe.
Food pipe.
Food pipe. So what is the function of food pipe?
Ma'am, like
So when we take the food passes through the food pipe and reaches our stomach.
See, I have got a picture from Google, so this is more good.
ma'am, the hyphae look like noodles.
Yeah, I hope you can see this. See this one and this one. Mushroom is the fruiting body of the fungus containing spores that act similarly to the seeds in the plant. Now, can you see here? Hyphae, a long thin strands that tangle together to make up the side. Yeah, correct. We are absolutely correct. So what is the definition of hyphae? They make up the mycelium. They together make up the mycelium. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, children. Yes. Can you see this picture? After taking this picture, I realized this is very important. What is hyphae? What is mycorrhiza? In mycorrhizal fungi, the place where the hyphae attach to the plant root. Can you see here? This is mycorrhiza. What is mycorrhizal fungi? Yes, I will ask. I'll pinpoint. Yes, Mohammed. What is mycorrhizal fungi?
Ma'am, can I answer?
No, only Mohammed. Mohammed, what is mycorrhizal fungi?
Mycorrhiza.
Yes, Mohammed.
Mycorrhiza is used for the relation for the trees, like the tree will give the plant sugar and the plant will give nutrients.
Wait. Be slow. Come again.
It is the relationship, right, with the tree.
Okay.
That the tree will give the plant, that give the fungus the sugars, and the fungus will give that nitrogen, phosphorus in the soil, from the soil to the tree.
Very good, Mohammed. That is the exact thing that is there in the slide. And Gelda, can you see what is hyphae?
Hyphae are a long thing time. Hyphae it's a long It's a long threads which forms a mycelium of the mushroom,
Very good.
which transfers the food from which they obtain from a sort actual mushroom.
Very nice, Kilda. Superb, superb.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
yes.
have a
I
doubt.
think now you all got it. Yes, yes, go ahead.
Ma'am,
Yes, go ahead.
here it is shown that the mycelium of the mushroom is getting tangled to the root of another plant. So,
Uh-huh.
but that plant is not rotting, right?
No, see. That is why I don't. No, I feel bad. So why there is a confusion? So that is a different part of fungi. Can anyone answer this question?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
What question asked Siddhant? You asked. Repeat.
Ma'am, it's Ritesh. I was
Okay,
asking
sorry.
that here it is shown that the mycelium of the mushroom is getting tangled to the root of the other plant, but that plant is
Yeah.
rotting. Why is it?
Yeah.
It is
Can you answer?
the relationship.
Ma'am, the plants can take nutrients, whereas the mushroom can't.
Very good, Soumya. So Soumya has told it in a different way, but her answer is correct. You know what is Soumya telling about? We are talking about mycorrhizal mushroom, mycorrhizal fungi. Whatever Sritej was asking is about decomposition method. The method they see very clearly. You should understand the difference. Oh my God! So Sritej, see, we saw about this decomposition. Decomposition means certain kind of mushrooms. Certain kind of mushrooms, they take the nutrients from the rotting wood. Understood, Sritej?
Yes, ma'am.
Certain kind of mushrooms, they take the nutrients from the rotting wood. That is how the activity works. Whatever activity I gave you, that is what all about the activities. Take a piece of old and rotting wood, try to grow mushroom on that, your mushroom will grow. That are very different from mycorrhizal fungi. Now we are talking about mycorrhizal fungi that have a symbiotic relationship. These fungi are different kinds, Shritesh. We spoke about decomposition. Those are different kind of mushrooms or fungi. They are depend on rotting wood. But now we are talking about mycorrhizal fungi. Though those people are depend on this thing. Those are depend on the living plant. Those people have a symbiotic relationship with the plant. As Mohammed said, they give up the phosphorus and other nutrients. In return, the plant give up their starch.
Okay, ma'am.
Shritesh, now you are getting or just telling okay?
Yes, ma'am, I am getting.
Just repeat it now.
Ma'am, so you were saying that the mushrooms which were decomposers depend on rotting wood. Those are different kinds of mushrooms.
Very good.
And
Yes.
mycorrhizal fungi are the different type of mushrooms which depend on the living plants or trees, and
Okay.
they have symbiotic relations.
Very good. Very. See, did anyone have this doubt before? Did anyone have this doubt before? Okay, this kind of doubts, I think, because of this is very important point to note. So don't get confused between those kind of fungi who are acting as a decomposer. So you can also say those kind of fungi who are acting as a decomposer agent, decomposing agent. They are typically decomposing your piece of rotten wood and taking the nutrients from the rotten wood. They are decomposing the rotten wood and taking the nutrients from it. Those are very different. Here, these kind of fungi are mycorrhizal fungi. They actually have a symbiotic relationship, give and take policy. They give something to the tree and they take something from the tree. It's give and take policy.
Ma'am, so that means that there are types of mushrooms now. Now, if there are types of mushrooms, which kind of mushroom do we eat?
That okay. I'm not a farmer. Even I don't know how to find which is edible mushroom, which is not an edible mushroom. If you want,
I know it. If the mushroom is a bit white and it's not black in the surface, then it's not good edible mushroom. But you said that the some microbes of mushroom and decomposer mushroom. So now there are types you're saying. So are there so many, like some kind of more types there? the mushrooms?
Yeah,
And if
yeah.
there, which kind of type of mushroom is the mushroom that we eat is going to which category?
Yes, yes, Siddhant. That's what I'm telling you. Like the thing is, like I don't know about that. But basically, whatever you guys told, the same thing I follow. Yeah, I will go to the market. We see the white color of mushrooms are normally edible, whatever they pack and give us. So even I don't know like whether the mushrooms are edible or not. I told you, no, in my home I grown mushrooms on this rotten wood, rotten dining table. Those mushrooms are really very, very cool, looking very cool. But we didn't eat that because we don't know whether they're edible or not. So don't take risk by eating such mushrooms. Some are poisonous mushroom also. You know, right? Some are poisonous mushrooms. They can even kill you.
No, ma'am, I'm just saying which category they belong to, like the mushroom that we eat. I know you like. I don't know. So that's what I was asking.
Category or okay, category that we eat, whatever mushrooms you eat, if that belongs to which category you are asking. So
Yes, ma'am.
first of all, for knowing that, we should know now which kind of mushrooms we are eating. That only we don't know, right? So
Pure
normal
white mushrooms.
uh,
Like, with
pure
no
white mushrooms is
patches and all.
pure white mushroom is just the name we give them, right? But they have an okay, wait a minute, they will see that. Okay, wait a minute. I don't know what. See, you should have a definite name now for whatever mushrooms you are eating, buying from the market. You should have a scientific name for that. Then only we can find which category they belongs to. Am I right? Am I right, Siddhant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, these mushrooms even depend on rotting animals, right?
Yeah, not animals.
Ma'am, only plants.
Yeah.
Okay.
Plants in the sense rotting wood. Rotting wood.
Okay, ma'am.
See, if you see that in the slide, I have mentioned also. I think you can dead trees, leaves, or other plant material. We have not given animal material here, right?
Ma'am,
Plant material.
can mushrooms have symbiotic relationships with Venus flytraps?
How it is possible? Can anybody answer this? I'm telling it's not possible. Can anybody tell the reason of why this is not possible?
Ma'am, I didn't got it. What he asked.
Repeat the question.
Can mushrooms have symbiotic relationships with Venus flytraps?
Yes. Can
Obviously,
anybody
no.
answer this?
Obviously, no, ma'am.
Why?
Because the Venus flytrap itself depends on insects for its nutrition. Now, if it gives its own food to mushroom, what will he the what will he itself eat? So
Very good.
it cannot be a symbiotic relationship that case.
Very good. Very good, Siddhant. Yes, superb, Siddhant. Is all getting the point? Gelda, did you get the point?
Yes, I did.
Yeah? Okay, fine. See, the class should be interactive, everyone. Okay. Soumya, did you get the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, fine. So we saw about this. We saw this diagram. All are important in this diagram. Mycelium, the main structure of a fungus. Mycorrhiza in mycorrhizal fungi, the place where the hyphae attached to the plant root. This is very important. See, there is a spring-like structure that is getting attached to the plant's roots. Okay, and this is. And can you tell which is host and which is parasite in this?
Ma'am, the mushroom.
Mushroom is a parasite.
Mushroom is a parasite. Very good. Anyone else?
Ma'am, mushroom.
I'm asking you. I'm telling you this is a symbiotic relationship, and I'm asking you which is host and which is parasite.
Ma'am, the plant.
Parasite is mushroom.
Oh my God, children, you really didn't understand the whole concept. I told you in symbiotic relationship, they are not called as host and parasites because they both give and take something. Nobody is host and nobody is parasite here.
Ma'am, they both benefit each other.
Yes. So, which is what is parasite? Parasite is something which is causing harm. A mosquito bites human beings, so mosquito is the parasite. Human being is a host, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is this, children? Why everyone gave wrong answer?
Ma'am, suddenly I got confused.
Ha, 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 ha. That is what the thing. Do not get confused. Okay, fine. Well, I think so. When our class started?
Ma'am, 6.
Ma'am,
6.
6 o'clock. Yes, yes, yes. We have exceeded 4 minutes. I'll still take no problem.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
fine.
sent the scientific name in the chat.
Ah, super. Wait. Agaricus by. Okay, wait. I will search.
Ma'am, it's Agaricus bisporus.
Comes under which mushroom, which category? Wait a minute. They are saprophytic fungus and wait, we'll go next. It is a decomposer. Hope all can see.
yes, sir.
Agaricus biporous. I don't know. Siddhant Nandi, you took from Google?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Agaricus biporous is, as per Siddhant, it is an edible mushroom. They're commonly called as button mushroom. It's actually a saprophytic fungus. It means they obtain nutrients from decomposing matter. Those are called saprophytes, right? Those who are getting nutrition
Yes,
from dead and decaying are called saprophytic. So they are saprophytic fungus. This means they obtain nutrients from decomposing organic matter, such as dead plants, not animals, only plants. Okay, it's wrong. So it falls under the category of decomposers. Yes, they are decomposers. They come under decomposers. Fine.
yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Agaricus biporous is a, yes, it is a edible mushroom.
Yes,
Okay, let's complete it from here. Okay.
Why does not mushroom take nutrients from the dead and decay animals?
Like why they, I don't know, maybe it may have like some mushrooms can also take from dead and decaying animals, I think so, but whatever mushrooms we came across till now, they are not taking.
ma'am, that question nobody can answer, ma'am, because
Yeah, because that's a
uh,
nature also. Yeah,
it depends on nature.
yes, that is absolutely right. Okay, fine, let's leave the class. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I am thanking you.